Good afternoon. We're from Cideb, Centro de Investigación y Desarrollo en Educación Bilingüe. This activity is 1.6, Effects of Chemistry in Modern World. Our teacher is Ms. Janet Edith Salinas Hernandez. This project is due for the 21st August 2014. And our team members are Zaira Paulina Arellano Aedo, Angélica Sofía Gómez Quintanilla, Jennifer Lilian López Guzmán, Jacqueline Alexia Prado Prado, and Montserrat Elizabeth Soto Cortez. We're from group 102. And now, our classmate Zaira will talk about the contributions of chemistry to medicine.
New drugs, the advances of medicine and chemotherapy have contributed to the elongation of life and the new relief of human pain. Over than 90% of the medicines used on the United States have been commercially developed over the last 50 years. Well aware of the public health danger posed by MRSA and the other resistant organisms. They are working hard to with microbes and develop resistance.
Is going to tell us a little bit of contributions of chemistry to food.
Food chemists developed and improved food and beverage and analyzed methods of heating processing, canning, freezing, and packaging. They also studied the effects of processing on the appearance, taste, aroma, freshness, and vitamins and mineral content of food. In basic research, food chemists studies the properties of proteins, fats, starches, and carbohydrates, as well as microcomponents such as additives and flavorants, to determine how each works in a food system. Here are some specific areas for careers in food science: agricultural chemists, animal scientists, flavor chemists that are the flavorists, food chemists, nutritional chemists,
I'm going to tell you about the basics of chemical weaponry. A chemical weapon utilizes a manufactured chemical to incapacitate, harm, or kill people. Strictly speaking, a chemical weapon relies on the physiological effects of a chemical, so agents used to produce smoke or flame as herbicides or for riot control are not considered to be chemical weapons. Although certain chemical weapons can be used to kill large numbers of people as weapons of mass destruction, other weapons are designed to injure or terrorize people. In addition to having potentially horrific effects, chemical weapons are precursor because they are cheaper and easier to manufacture and deliver than nuclear or biological weapons. The types of weapons are choking agents like phosgene or chlorine, blister agents like nitrogen mustard or Lewis-Height, nerve agents like tabun, sarin or VX, and an earliest chemical weapon was an esoteric chemical concoction. During World War I, flaring gas was used as a chemical weapon, released in massive clouds by the German army to cause lung damage and terror downwind of its release. For a chemical weapon to cause harm, it must come in contact with the skin or mucous membranes, be inhaled or be ingested. The activity of the chemical agent depends on its concentration. In other words, below a certain level of exposure, the agent will kill. Below certain levels of exposure, the agent will cause harm. Jennifer is going to tell us about global warming and how chemistry is involved in it.
The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere whose constructions have been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities. These gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to the tendency of the atmosphere to create warming climates that would otherwise be the case. The most important naturally occurring trace gases that have ability to absorb infrared radiation are the water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone. In addition, there are some industrial gases that are extremely effective absorbers of the radiation. Anthropogenic human-derived sources at atmospheric enrichment of dioxide, carbon, fossil fuels, combustion, cement manufacturing, and land use change involving deforestation, biomass, burning, and cultivation. The greenhouse effect is tolerable if the rate of increase in Earth's mean temperature is about 0.1 Celsius per decade.
Now Angelica is going to talk about the three possible solutions for reducing the global warming caused by chemistry.
Ice caps threatens to the weather of Mexico. Eric Quiroga said that the Arctic effect has consistent of the ice caps melting has a great consequences in several parts of the world like Mexico, Canada, United States, and several countries of Europe. The expert explained that Mexico will be one of the most affected countries by this phenomenon. In Mexico, rains that can become into snowstorms as winter develops can be produced. These countries, Central America, have a great influence of the Pacific. This complicates the climate problem on this area. Solution 1. Renewable energy sources like wind energy, hydropower, solar energy, etc. The pros of this solution will be less greenhouse gases, save money on gas. Solution 2, using less energy, like turning off the lights, you're not using them, using less gas. The pros of this solution will be save energy for future uses, save gas prices,
Reduces pollution of greenhouse gases, and
Chemistry is in many fields. It's in our food, in our medicine, even in our weapons. And we have to control how we use it. If we use it too much, we may even damage our world. But we also have are sort of dependable on it because we have built our world upon it.